My husband just finished putting together this dresser and he said it was very simple. It did take him some time because obviously every piece does need to be assembled. One of the things I absolutely love about this, at a quick glance, it looks like it's all wood, but these are actually fabric, which is really great, really nice and light, making this whole unit really easy for one person to pick up and move if need be. But it is so sturdy because it is actually on a metal frame, which is really nice. You've got that metal frame here. The side pieces here that hold the fabric drawers in place, that is plastic, but then you've got this nice wooden top here up here. This can actually hold 66 pounds, and then in each of the drawers they're recommending about 13 pounds. So this is 45.6 inches in height. It is 31.4 inches in length, and it is 11.8 inches in depth, just to keep that in mind. This one clearly is the brown, but it does come in lots of different colors. So yeah, I think it's really great. Obviously, this is perfect for maybe like a craft room. Of course, obviously a bedroom, putting in, your clothes inside here. The feet as well are adjustable, so you can just kind of twist them if you're anything like us and your floor is uneven. That is really great to be able to do that. But yeah, if you are looking for a dresser, I love that there are 10 of them. I don't know if I've seen one like kind of this big with the fabric. It's usually just kind of one of those singular ones. So I think this is really great.